Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another centerpiece video for you. I'm here at Michael's and I'm going to do one in pink. I love this pink, very pretty. Any questions, just comment below. The base is going to be a plastic plate that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue the foam onto it. So here I'm just cutting the foam to size. I have this wood piece that I got from this egg. It was from Easter. I saw it at Target and I spray painted that piece, and I'm going to glue it on top. Now make sure you secure the foam and then you just glue that piece on top. I did cut out in the middle and then stuck it down, but you don't have to do that. Now for the flowers, I don't have the name of these flowers. So I'm just going to explain what they look like to me. And these are ferns. They're really hangy. And I'm putting one on each side, and I just want a nice like green base. And this looks like cherry blossom to me, so I have no idea what this is. It didn't have a name on it, but I got all of my pieces from Michael's. I will link in the description box some items from Amazon if I can find that is similar. Now the idea I have is just to have a green base and just have the flowers just sticking upright, some a little lower to the side to kind of like hang over the ferns. So here I'm just adding all the pieces to the top and the side of the decor, and then I'm going to go ahead and add cherry blossom to it as well. It's such a pretty color. I love it. And you can use any color to make this decor. So not because this is pink, you can use white, blue, whatever, burgundy you want to use it. This is an idea, and I hope it actually influences you guys. So just I'm here adding flowers all over the top and to the sides of this decor. Now just add some greenery around the base, and just to camouflage the foam and to give it some fullness. I went ahead and add some of this hydrangea. It's a hydrangea bush, and there's small hydrangeas, and I add one in the front, as you can see right there, and I just cut the leaf off and stick it to hide the foam. When you have big leaves like this, they can come very handy when it comes to making this decor, any decor. So I am just adding the hydrangeas. Then I decide that I want some more of this type of plant, this type of flowers. So just adding some more. And I'm also going to go ahead and add some more of the cherry blossom. So just add it to the fullness that you're looking for. Okay, just adding flowers, And guys, you know, this is just to give you an idea. You can come up with your own. I just want to show you that you can create this at home for yourself. You don't have to pay anyone to do it. That's why I'm doing these tutorials, is to help you guys. And of course, if you can't, then I'm always here. I'm here for hire. Okay, so this type of feathery pink decor is accent piece. I went ahead, I forgot to add some other type of fern to it. So I add this accent piece, and I didn't like the way it looked, so I decided to take it from the top and just add it lower to the side, and I love the way it looks now. I noticed one side was a little heavier than the other, so I went ahead and add some more pink cherry blossoms. I have 4 green twigs, and I'm going to add them. I'm adding them right now upright to the top part of the foam. Now I'm done, and this, you can display it like this. This is a candle. It's battery operated. It flickers really nice, but it's not showing on camera. And this is just a vase I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to turn it upside down, and so you can just get a better candle. But it was flickering, but it's not the best. I got that candle from Michael's. Now you can display it just like this, very pretty, or you can also display. I have another way of displaying it, which was my favorite. That's the candle on the top there. It says that it's lit. Or you can display it like this way, which is my favorite. Same vase, I just add water and add some accent beads and a floating candle. Okay, now guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. I will definitely answer my question. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and just look out for my next video. Remember to click on that bell so you get alerts when I upload.